Good evening. Good evening to all. Back. Welcome back with the additional of today's newspaper on Wednesday. Yes, it's still Wednesday, August the 7th, 2024. We have here 7 extra puzzles. Those puzzles are the letter Sudoku, 2 stars, 3 stars, and the 4 stars Sudoku. We have two jigsaw Sudokus, one with 4 stars, one with 1 star. In Dutch, they call it cipher block, and Japanese suguru. And the last puzzle is the binary puzzle. These puzzles, I'm not interested. Total of 7 extra puzzles. 4 of them I will solve this evening. Not all, too much for me, time consuming, and I need the same time for uploading it to YouTube. Yeah, otherwise it will be a day job for me. And besides, this afternoon I've already solved 3 regular puzzles. So it's a lot of puzzles for a day. Alright, the first one I will solve is a 3 stars Sudoku. And this will be number 9046. Well, is this really a 3 stars? Usually the 3 stars puzzle has 25 printed digits. This one, I've counted twice. 24. Should be a 4 stars. Yeah, 4 stars puzzle. 4 stars puzzle has always 24 printed digits. For 4 stars puzzle, I need 30 minutes or more. This one has 24 printed digits. Well, if it's a 3 stars puzzle, I need 20 to 30 minutes. Question is this a 3 stars or 4 stars puzzle? We don't know. We will see. So let's get started. Let me scan the puzzle. We have here 4 ones. All right. 1, 2, 3, 4. We have here 2 twos, 2 threes, 3 fours, 2 fives, 2 sixes, 2 sevens, 3 eights, and 1 9. Can I start with 1? Yes, 1 in the last column, 1 in that column, so the column between. I don't need 2 places left. 1 should be here or there. We have a 1 in this row, no 1 there. 1 should be there. 1 1. Right. 1 1. Then I need 1 here and there. 1 1. Okay, cannot continue with 1 now. Need to wait. How about the 8 in the last column, the 8 in that column next. So in that column, no need to place level 8 should be here or there. We have an 8 in this row, no 8 there. 8 should be here. 8 in this row, 8 in the row below. So last row, the only place level 8 should be there. Then let me see. 8 8. Yeah. Need 8 here. Need 8 there. Need 8 here, okay. How about 3 3? Need a 3 here. Need a 3 there. Need a 3 here. 2, need a 2 there. I'm thinking 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of missing numbers 2. We have a 2 in the middle row, no 2 in these 3 boxes. Here 2 in the second column, no 2 in those 2 boxes. 1 box left with 2 in this big square. Should be there. 2 in this row, 2 in the middle row. So in the row above, the only place level 2 should be there. Then 2 2. Need a 2 here. Need a 2 there. And I need a 2 here. Well. Need a 4 here. Need a 4 here. Need a 4 here. 4 there. Okay. 4, 4, 4, 4. Need a 4 here. Need 5 there. Come on. Taking too long. 6. 8. Come on. Need a 3 here. Yeah. 3, need 3 here. Need 3 there. Yeah. There's 7 here. There's 7 there. Come on, need 7 here. Let me put some numbers. This is taking too long. Yeah. It's taking too long. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 4. We have 4 in the last column. No 4 in these 3 boxes. So the 4 in this big square could be here, could be there. 4 in one of those 2 boxes in this row. 4 in the last row. So the row between only 3 places left. The 4 should be here, or there. We have a 4 in this third column. No 4 there. So the 4 could be here, could be there. 7 in the last row. 7 in the row above. So that row, the only place left is 7 should be there. 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 7. We have 7 in this column, no 7 in these 2 boxes. So the 7 in this big square could be here, could be there. 7 in this row, 7 in one of those 2 boxes in the middle row. So the row above, the only 3 places left, 7 should be here, or there. We have a 7 in this column, no 7 there. 7 could be here, could be there. Come on. 2, 1. 1, 2, 3, 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 1. We have 1 in this column, second column. So no 1 in these 2 boxes. So the 1 in this big square could be here, could be there. 1 in this row. 1 in one of those 2 boxes in the middle row. So the row above, the only 3 places left. 1 should be here, or there. We have a 1 in the middle column. No 1 there. 1 could be here, could be there. Well, and now 1 in this row, 1 in the third row. So the row between the second row. The only 2 places left for the 1 could be here, could be there. Then let me see. Come on. Need an 8 there. Well, we have here 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is an 8. We have an 8 in this row, so no 8 in this box. We have an 8 in the first column, no 8 in that box. So the 8 could be here, could be there. 8 in this row, 8 in one of those 2 boxes in the middle row. So the row below, the only 3 places left for the 8 should be here, or there. We have an 8 in this column, no 8 there. 8 could be here, could be there. Come on. This is taking too long. 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 9. We have a 9 in this row, so no 9 in these 3 boxes. So the 9 could be here, could be there. Need a 9 here. Need a 3. Come on. 3. Need a 3 here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 3. We have a 3 in this column, so no 3 in these 3 boxes. We have 3 in the first row, no 3 in those 3 boxes. So the 3 could be here, could be there in this big square. So we have a 3 in this row, 3 in one of those boxes in the second row. So the third row, only 3 places left. 3 should be here, or there. We have a 3 in the first column, no 3 there. 3 could be here, could be there. Alright. 7 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 2. We have a 2 in this column, no 2 in these 3 boxes. We have a 2 in the second row, no 2 in those 3 boxes. So the 2 in this big square could be here, could be there. So we have a 2 in one of those 2 boxes in the first row, 2 in the second row, so in the third row, only 2 places left. 2 could be here, could be there. Need a 2 there. Need 2 here. Come on. 6, need a 6 there. This one is a hard one. Need a 5. Must be a hidden number here. This box can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, can be 4, can be 5, can be 6, can be 7, can be 8. 1 digit left, number 9. Yes, we got you. Hidden number 9. Some people call this a naked number. Well, we got you. 9 in this column, 9 in that column, so the column between. Middle column, only 2 places left. 9 could be here, could be there. No 9 here. 9 should be in one of these 3 boxes. So there should be the 9. 9 in this row. 9 in one of these 3 boxes in this middle rows on the wall above. The only place level 9 should be there. So these 3 missing numbers in this row are the numbers. The 1 is missing. The 2, the 3, 4 is missing. 4 and the 7. 1, 4, 7. We have a 4 in this column. No 4 there. So the 4 goes together with the 1 as a pair. So I've eliminated here the 7, so the 7 should be there. Alright, 7 in this column, 7 in the middle column, so the column next to only place level 7 should be there. 7, 7, 7, 7, 7, 7, 7, 7. Well, we have a 7 in this column, 7 in the second column, so the first column, the only 3 place level 7 should be here, here, or there. We have a 7 in the second row, no 7 there. 7 could be here, could be there. Alright. One of the missing number in this big square is number 6. We have a 6 in this column, so no 6 in these 3 boxes. So the 6 goes together with the 9 as a pair. So I've eliminated here the 2, so the 2 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square. 4 numbers, the 1, the 2, the 3, 4 is missing. The 5, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 4 and 8, 4 and 8. We have a 4 in the first row, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and 8 goes there. 4 in the first row, 4 in the second row. So the third row, the only place level 4, 8 should be there. Mark those 2 boxes early with 4. We have a 4 in this column, so no 4 there. 4 should be there. 1, 8, and I need a 4. Yeah. One of the missing numbers is a 4. We have a 4 in this column. So no 4 there. So the 4 could be here, could be there. Okay. Then. 1, 4, and the 8. 1, 4, and 8 are missing. Well, here can be 4 and 8. We have a 4 and 8 here. So here can... Oh, wait. We have an 8 here. Mark those 2 boxes earlier with 8. We have 8. So this box give me 8 and more. That box will be an 8. Okay. So what are these 3 missing numbers then? These 2 missing numbers. Here we have 1, the 2, 3 is missing, the 4, 5 is missing, 3 and a 5, 3 and 5. Well, 3 and 5. Here 1 and a 4, we already have a 4 here in this column, so no 4 there. 4 should be here, and 1 goes there. 3 and a 5, here also 3 and a 5. 2 numbers left in this column. 4 numbers, the 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, 6 is missing. 1 and 6, 1 and 6. We have a 1 in this row, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 6 goes there. And then 3 missing numbers. 1, the 2 is missing, 2, 3, and a 5. 2, 3, and a 5. Well, we have a 2 in this column, no 2 there, so the 2 could be here, could be there. 3 and a 5, okay. How about here? 2, 3, and a 5. Well, I think this box should be a 3, because in this row we need a 3. These 2 boxes can be 3. We have a 3 in this big square, so no 3 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box level, the 3 should be there. And I've eliminated here the 2, so the 2 goes there. So 1 box left in this big square for number 5. 2 numbers left in this row for numbers 1. 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, and the 5 is missing. 2 and 5, 2 and 5. We have a 2 in this column, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 5 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1 and 2. The 3, the 4, the 5, 6 is missing. 6 and a 9. So we have a 6 in one of those 2 boxes in the last column, 6 in the column next. So that column no, needs to place level 6. Could be here, could be there. Mark those 2 boxes early with a 2. We have a 2 in the last column, so this box can be 2 and more. That box should be a 2. Here are 2 numbers left, the 3 and the 5. Well, cannot fill this yet. Let me mark those. Yeah. How about the 9 then? Need a 9 here. Okay. 9 and the 6. 9, 6 and the... Well, need a 7 here. We need a 7 in the third row. Here can be 7. We have a 7 in this column. No 7 there. So the 7 could be here, or there. We see another 7 in the third column. No 7 there. 7 in the second column. No 7 there. Only place level 7 should be here then. This can be 7 and more. So we have a 7 in this row. 7 in the second row. So in the first row, the only 2 place level 7 should be here or there. Here. Okay. 9, 6, and a 3. No, I need to wait. How about 7, 7, 7, 8. Need an 8. Need an 8 here or there. Yeah, 8 in the first row, 8 in the third row. So in the row between the second row. Only 2 places left with the 8. Goes together with the 1 as a pair. 1 and 8. 1 and the 8. We have an 8 in the first column. No 8 there. 8 should be here. And the 1 goes there. I've marked those 2 boxes earlier with a 1. We have a 1 now in this column, so no 1 there. 1 should be here. So the 4 and 8 are left. We have an 8 in this column. No 8 there. 8 should be here. 4 goes there. Mark those 2 boxes earlier with a 4. We have a 4 in the first column, so there's no 4 there. 4 should be here. 6, 9. Okay. So now. Let me think. 6, 9, and I need a 5. I need a 1, 2. Need a 3 here. 3 in the last row. 3 in that row. So in the row between. The only 2 places left with 3 should be here or there. We have a 3 in the first column. No 3 there. 3 should be there. Mark those 2 boxes earlier with 3. We have a 3 in this column. So no 3 there. 3 should be there. 2 numbers left now in the third column. 4 numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5. 6 is missing. The 7, the 8, 9 is missing. 6 and 9, 6 and 9. Ah, we have a pair now. Here also a pair. Here also a pair. So 2 numbers left in the last row. 4 numbers. 1, 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, and the 5 is missing. 2 and 5, 2 and 5. We have a 2 in the second column, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 5 goes there. So here is the pair, 6 and the 9 again. We have a 6 in the first column, no 6 there. 6 should be here, 9 goes there. 9 and the 6, we have a 9 in this row, no 9 there. 9 should be here, 6 goes there. 1 box left in the first column for number. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, I believe the 5 is missing here. Well, 5 is missing here. Yeah, 3 and a 5. We have a 3 in the middle column. No 3 there. 3 should be here. 5 goes there. Alright. 9 and a 6. 9 and a 6. We have a 6 in this column, so this box should be a 9. That box should be a 6. This box should be a 9 then. Then 1 box left in this big square, I believe a 6. 6 in the first column, 6 in the third column, so the column between second column, the only place left for the 6 should be there. Mark those 2 boxes earlier with a 6. We have a 6 in this first row, so no 6 there. 6 should be there. So 2 numbers left in the first row. 4 numbers, the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6. 7 is missing, the 8, 9 is missing. 7 and a 9, we have a 9 in the last column, no 9 there. 9 should be here. 7 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square. 4 numbers, the 1, the 2, 3 is missing, the 4, and the 5 is missing. 3 and 5, 3 and 5. Cannot fill this yet. But we have a pair here, 3 and 5. Huh? We have a 3 here, so this box should be a 5. 3 and 5. We have a 5 now in this column, so that box should be a 5, and this box should be a 3. 3 in this column, 3 in the column next, or last column, the only place level 3 should be there. And if eliminated here, the 7, so the 7 goes there. 1 box left in this big square. For the number, the 1, the 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 is missing here. 9, 9, 9. Correct. In 90 minutes. Well. 4 stars, no. 3 stars, no. Let me give this a 2 stars. I'm faster than 20 minutes, so I'm well pleased with the time. And I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so I can make it also myself. Thank you again for watching. See you in a minute with other 3 puzzles. Until then, bye-bye for now.